Rubens, the story of the hurricane. The man near parties came to blame for something that he never done. Put him in a prison cell, but one time he could have been the champion of the world. The ghettos are in flame. Rubens in South America fighting for his name, while Arthur Dexter Bradley is still in a robbery game. And the cops are putting the screws on him, looking for somebody to blame. Remember that murder that happened in a bar? Remember you said you saw the getaway car? Think you like to play ball with the law? Think I might have been that fighter that you saw running that night? Don't forget that you are white. Arthur Dexter Bradley said, I'm really not sure. Cops said a poor boy like you could use a break. We got you for the motel job and we've been talking to your friend Bello. You don't wanna have to go back to jail, be a nice fellow. And you'll see doing society a favor. That son of a bitch is braver, get braver. We wanna put his ass in the stir. We wanna pin this to my murder on him. He ain't no gentleman jail. Take a man out with just one punch, but he never liked to talk about it all that much. It's my work each day, I do it for a pay, and when it's all over, I just as soon go on my way up to some paradise where the trout streams flow and the area's nice, and ride a horse along the trail. But then they took him to the jailhouse where they tried to turn a man into a mouse. All of Rubens' cards was marked in advance. The trial was a big circus, he never stood a chance. The judge made Rubens witnesses, drunkards from the slums. To the white folks who watched, he was a revolution.